The future of the US dollar may be the most important economic question of our time. But to ask it honestly, we have to go back 500 years, to a quiet valley in Bohemia. In the 1500s, silver coins were minted in a town called Joachimsthal. People shortened the name to thaler. The trading Dutch made their own version, the daalder. Their silver lion dollar spread across the world, all the way to the American colonies. The English slurred daalder into one word, dollar. Fast forward to 1944, Europe lay in ruins after World War II. At a conference in Bretton Woods, the world tied its currencies to the dollar, and the dollar to gold. Then, American money rebuilt the continent through the Marshall Plan. Dollars flowed out and never really came back. The dollar had become the world's anchor. In 1971, the US cut the dollar's link to gold. So it found a new backing, oil. Through a deal with Saudi Arabia in the 1970s, the world's oil was priced in dollars. To buy energy, every nation now needed dollars. The petrodollar was born, and demand became almost permanent. But nothing lasts forever. Today, some of the world's largest economies are trading outside the dollar. China and others are buying oil in their own currencies, the so-called petroyuan. Central banks are stocking up on gold again. Slowly, the world is testing life beyond the dollar. So why does this matter to ordinary Americans? Global demand for dollars lets the US borrow cheaply. If that demand fades, the costs land at home. Servicing the national debt gets harder. Imported goods, electronics, fuel, cars get more expensive. Exporters lose their edge. And for the average consumer, that can mean higher prices on the shelf and a weaker paycheck in real terms. From a silver coin in a forgotten valley to the engine of the global economy. The dollar has reinvented itself before. The question now is whether it can do it again, or whether the world has finally started to move on. What do you think happens next?